Good morning everyone. Myself I'm Dr.M Kumar, Innovator CFC. In this video we are going to see on case study of N8N workflow. To do this case study video, I'm going to discuss this topic with my three brilliant students. So let us start the session.
Good morning everyone, I am Shri Varsha, currently pursuing BE Computer Science in SNS College of Technology, and I will be presenting my real world academic challenges we often face. Imagine a student needing to write a literal review, that involves searching in Google Scholars and reading 50 plus papers, summarizing manually, identifying the trends and gaps. And then this takes weeks, and most of us we do repeatedly. So we asked ourselves, can we automate this? And that's how we case study the project. Smart research assessment. We we developed a system using a Streamlining for use interface and NS8 for automation workflow and LLM for summarizing and lag chain for chaining prototypes and memory. If the next few seconds we show the how it is work.
Hi, I am Sujit, and I will walk you through the user experience. We built the interface using Streamlit, a Python-based framework for creating web apps. Here's what the user sees: a simple form to enter, research topics, number of articles to retrieve, preferred source that's like Google Scholar and etc. And once submitted, the input is sent to N8N with a webhook. A please wait spinner appears. On completion, the summarized literature review is shown. Key insights and a downloadable report are generated. Why Streamlit? Fast development and user-friendly, no need for front-end coding. This makes it easy for non-technical users, especially researchers, to get automated reviews in minutes.
Hi, I'm Zara, and I'm going to explain what happens behind the scenes. Our automation engine is N8N. Here's our flow. Trigger: a webhook node receives input from the Streamlit. Search node: a custom Python node scraps articles from Google Scholar. LangChain agent calls the LLM. We use OpenAI's GPT-4. Uses LangChain to chunk articles into readable sections, maintain context using memory, chain prompts like summarize each paper, compare trends and identify gaps. Summarization node: LLM returns concise paragraphs per article plus an overall insight. Response node: the result is sent back to the Streamlit. Result: in less than 2 minutes, users get a structured literature review. We have also added features like translation, keyword extraction, reference formatting, APA MLA. It's fully modular. You can use all modes for parallelism, check or citation suggestions later.
Fine. Myself, I'm Dr. Shivaram, and I'm happy that I'm entering this wonderful students team for exploring this N8N tool workflow. Let me explain you in short that before getting working into N8N workflow, here they have mentioned like webhook. Webhook is a node which can be accessed by using a Streamlit program, where Streamlit is written by using a Python code. We should write a program and it should be saved in a notepad. Then we have to run it through the command prompt where the folders have been saved, I mean in the drive access. And we have to give, as we type the CMD, it will open, the command prompt will open, and we have to give a syntax like Streamlit and file name. Assume here I have given as task 1. What I have to do is the syntax to be like Streamlit space run and space task1.py. .py is the extension of Python program. Then as I enter, it will take 1 or 2 seconds to run on, and in a web browser, maybe or Chrome or Internet Explorer, we'll have our own designed UI UX based Streamlit program app, where we have to give the field response. As the user submitted their response, it will be further read in the N8N webbook portal, so that that webbook node will access the data which we have fed it, which is fed by user in the Streamlit. So this is the area where many we have one problem, whether reading a data from N8N webbook might cause some data reflection to the users where it won't fetch. So in order to do that, first what we have to do is N8N webbook should be turned on for listening for an event. Then further the Streamlit program should be run. After the giving the response, automatically the Streamlit will send the response to the N8 through this webbook. Fine. So that's I want to explain you in short where my students in cover. So I'm happy that my students they have discussed on case study of N8 and workflow. So we'll see further in upcoming videos. Thank you.